You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got from Geniuswigs for you. So it comes in this box right here. And what comes with your wig, I like to, unbox it and show you guys everything that comes on the inside. So first we do have our wig here. Then they also send you with a clip. I got a brush to like lay down your baby hairs and stuff like that. And then also this is like a headscarf, just to, I believe like you can use this also to melt your hairline. Extra piece of elastic band, and then they also send you some stocking caps. I did get a straight wig from them. This is what the inside of your wig looks like. As you guys can see, the knots already come bleached and plucked. Also on the inside of your wig, you do get an extra elastic band for extra security. It's also a detachable lace band, so you can remove it as you like. If ever you don't want it, you can just take it off. I do notice that sometimes when the bands are on the wig, it does leave your wig looking bulky. So most of the times, if the band is detachable, I always take them off. Do you guys see the hairline that is on this unit right now? It is given scalp. So the lace that they use to create this lace wig is their new crystal lace. Now the crystal lace is a high-end Swiss lace. With the crystal lace, your lace can be worn repeatedly compared to like an HD lace, which rips easily. I feel like with HD lace, you get like 2 good wears out of it, and then you gotta completely switch your lace out and get a new one. With the crystal lace now, it's a lot more durable. It's very stretchy and very soft, and definitely can be reworn multiple times. You can glue it down, just clean off the glue and rewear it. What I like about this wig in particular is that the hairline is melted. It's pre-bleached. The knots just looks like it's going completely from your scalp. And also the hairline does go ear to ear, which I really like. The hairline is very realistic. Like the hairline looks very natural. It does look like it's going completely out of my scalp. Now when it comes to parting space on this unit, it is a 13 by 6.5 parting space. So you do have a pretty deep parting space on this. Whether you want to do like a deep center part, you have that. You have a lot of space to work with on this unit itself. As you guys can see, like the parting space does go all the way back. So I really like that. Also the hair on the unit itself, it does feel really amazing. It's super soft, very, very silky. As you guys can see, I'm running my fingers through it, and the hair is just absolutely silky. It's really soft and nice, really good quality hair. It feels like some really great quality hair. So far I'm really liking that. Yeah, the hair feels so smooth, you guys. I do want to show you guys the difference when it comes to the laces. So as you guys can see here, I have the HD lace, and then here we have the crystal lace. Now when it comes to the HD lace, it is just a lot easier to whip. Like I'm taking a regular, what's it called, tweezer, and you guys see how easily it's ripping. Like look at that, there's already holes in it. Compared to the crystal lace, I'm tugging it, it doesn't have much stretch to it, but it is a lot more durable. Now we're gonna demonstrate with me taking my tweezers and running it through the same how. Like I'm doing the same method that I did with the HD. Look at that, barely any holes in it, you guys. So the crystal lace is definitely a lot more durable and will definitely last you a little longer than your regular HD lace or any different type of lace.
Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
It's the hairline. It's really the hairline for me, like, and I love how it literally covers like the entire ear tab on both sides, not just that side alone. As you guys can see, like, amazing, just amazing. This is such a beautiful wig, you guys, and you definitely can tell that this is a wig that's gonna last you a good while. So it's nothing that you're gonna have to be rebuying your wig in another 2-3 months. It's definitely one of those wigs that you can have for a good while. I would definitely say like a year or two with proper care. The wig is definitely giving, it's giving everything right now. Like I said, the hair is super soft, super silky. I'm not sure exactly which density, but I do know that I got this wig in a 20-inch. Just not too sure what density I got it in. It's not too thick, but it's also not too thin. Like, it meets right in the middle, and it just, like, it's that perfect, like, it gives me the perfect density. Like, honestly, I don't like my hair too full, but I also don't like my hair too thin. So it meets right in the middle, and yeah, overall it's like the perfect density for me. The length is just perfect. It's not too long, but it's not too short. The hair is just giving straight vibes, y'all. Like, it looks so natural. I really like this, and I love how deep that parting space is. Usually lace fronts like this, you don't get such a deep parting space, and this one you have a really deep parting space, so I'm really liking that. I'm not exactly sure what the price tag is looking like on this wig, but I know it's like nothing too crazy where you're gonna have to be contemplating on whether or not you should get a wig or put groceries in your fridge. So yeah, nothing too crazy, but yeah, the wig is bomb. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Looking at it, it just looks so nice. I just love the hairline. It's the hairline that's doing like everything for me right now. I love the naturalness of the hairline. It is so natural, so realistic. It literally looks like it's growing completely out of my scalp. It literally looks, I literally do not have anything bad to say about this wig. I love the fact that I didn't need to add any baby hairs. I really don't have any complaints on this wig. Like, this wig is everything for me. When I picture myself, it's so, you know what's so crazy? It's just the fact that, like, a few years back, like a good 10 years back, when we thought about wigs, we thought about old people. Like, young people was not wearing wigs. It was just like, whenever you see somebody in a wig, it was always like an older person, you know, somebody elderly. And then nowadays it's like everybody and their mother, that, like, everybody is wearing wigs. It is so crazy. So I'm basically getting at is that, like, when I envision myself in a wig, I want a wig that, you know, it just looks very natural. It like mimics, this wig definitely embodies everything that I look for in a wig whenever it comes to me wearing wigs in particular. Like, I don't want my wig to be out here looking wiggy. I want it to look like scalp. I want it to look natural, realistic, you know, and this is definitely taking all of those check box for me. And yeah, you guys, just get this wig, okay? Just run to Genius Wigs and get this wig. Like, it is everything, y'all. The wig is just super bomb. I love it. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I love it, you guys. If I do have a discount code, that will be listed down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the wig. Is it giving scalp or what? Like, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion.